Welcome to this demonstration video of NoiseAtWork version 2020. In this video I will show you the new option for creating difference contours. Here you see the measured contours, so the contours based on measured values. If I go to the measurement tab page, you see it's here 81, 82, etc. Based on these measured values, NoiseAtWork will create the interpolated contours. Okay, I'm going to take off my measurement positions, so these are my measured noise contours. Next, I'm going to add noise sources to the room. This option is available in type C and type D of NoiseAtWork. I click on the New button, I'm going to click over here, and this is an alarm system. And for instance, a sound power level of 105 dB or dBA, it depends what you want. At my contour tab page, I can now switch between the contours based on measured values or the contours based on calculated values. So these are my calculated noise contours based on one single source. I can also select the source, select copy in the right mouse menu, then paste in the right mouse menu. Now I got two sources and I can drag the other source to this location. So now I've got two sources in the room. So here you see the interpolated noise contours, the interpolated calculated noise contours based on your two sources. So I can now switch between my measured noise levels, my calculated noise contours. I can now select accumulated, so now this is accumulation between the measured noise contours and my calculated noise contours. But now I can also show the difference between the calculated noise contours and the measured noise contours. For alarm systems, this difference must be higher, for instance, than 6 dB. Depends on which standard you are going to use, 6, 10 or 15 dB, in order to be audible for the people working inside this room or inside this area. It could be outside, it could be inside. NoiseAtWork doesn't make any difference for NoiseAtWork. Could both be inside or outside. But now, of course, I have to adapt my noise classes. So I'm going to insert two noise classes. The first noise class is from -99 to 0, and that means a red value, because red means it's the alarm system is lower than the normal noise, and of course the alarm system should be higher. Then my other noise class is going to be orange, and that's, for instance, 0 to 6 dB. So that means it must be at least 6 dB higher, so it must be at least green. So this area is okay, but all the other areas are not okay. So now I can play around and I can optimize my alarm systems. I could decide to create more alarm systems and put them, for instance, in this corner. Slightly better, but still mostly red or orange. And most likely you have to increase your sound power level, so it must be a louder alarm. Let's say 115 over here, 115 over here, and let's say 115 over here. So now we're getting there. Now let's say we're also going to copy and paste an alarm system and put it in the other corner. Of course, this area is difficult to achieve a difference of 6 dB because the measured noise levels in this area are quite high, are purple. So you actually should either put the alarm system close to this area or in this area and then see if the difference is enough, slightly better. Or increase the sound power level even in this area. Make it 120, and now you get an almost everywhere green. So this is an example of showing you how you can use difference, the new option for difference contours, for optimizing the location of alarm systems in your working space. Thank you very much for your attention.